Guys, Dan here again, getting weird in the kitchen. This time we're making a frappe. Now this one, we're going to be using these ingredients. It's going to be dairy free, pretty much calorie free, and so it's a healthier alternative. This one actually tastes pretty good. Okay, start off with, we've just got some ice. I'm going to pour it into here. And we're just going to blend up the ice so it's nice and slushy. Right, I have my glass, little bit of water in, instant coffee. Go, put the coffee in there, and I'm just going to stir that in. This isn't hot water, by the way, this is cold water. Just mix it in, make sure the coffee's mixed in properly. There we go. I've got my ice in there. I'm now going to add the ice into the mix. Right, our blended ice is in there with the coffee. Now, cream soda. This one I've picked up, it's 0 calories, 0 added sugar. I'm going to put the cream soda in. Trying to film this at the same time isn't easy. Right, there we go. Got quite a lot of bubbles there. It's nice and frothy. It's my spoon. Now let's just mix that up. Apologise about the filming. It's a bit Blair Witch right now. Right, here we go. So that's all mixed up together. Look how bubbly and frothy that is. All it is the cream soda with the crushed ice and the instant coffee, and there you have a frappe. Basically 0 calories, and I haven't used dairy. Now if you wanted to, you could add some cinnamon, you could add some stevia, make it even sweeter, or you could even add raw cocoa powder if you have some of that as well, to give it a bit of a chocolatey taste. So hey, perfect, give it a go.